The Crow's Tale by Naomi Haworth. This is a Lenni Lenape Native American legend. This is a story of transformation. It is a Pennsylvania Lenni Lenape Indian legend, and it's the perfect example of a story that was first told to explain the mysteries of the natural world. In the dark depths of winter, far, far away, snow started falling at the cold break of day. In a freezing, thick blanket, it covered the land, and the animals knew that they needed a plan. They were tired and famished and frozen from cold, until Wise Owl came up with a plan, brave and bold. A perilous journey will need to be done. Our bravest and best must go to the sun, because without the sun's warmth, we'll have nothing to eat. So which of you will ask for some heat? All of the animals wanted to go, but no one could do it except Rainbow Crow. With his radiant feathers and sweet singing voice, the animals knew that they had made the right choice. The magnificently colored kaleidoscope crow was the one who would battle through ice, wind, and snow. Up through the storm, brave Crow quickly flew, though the snow blurred his vision and the wind, how it blew. Closer and closer he came to the sun, but his troubles and trials had only begun. Crow flew through the blizzard, and then to his delight, he entered Sun's kingdom of dazzling, bright light. "Oh, please, Mr. Sun, we beg you to help, to stop the snow falling. Oh, please make it melt." But wizened old Sun was in such a deep slumber. He opened his eyes and roared loud as thunder. "What is all this racket? I've no time for whining, I'm tired. I've just spent the whole summer shining. What I will give you is a long branch of fire, which will help keep you animals warmer and drier." Thanking the sun and grasping the light, Crow turned around for the long homeward flight. Through the terrible storm he tossed and tumbled, while the heavens shook and the skies loudly rumbled. Holding the bright, burning branch with his foot, Crow's colorful feathers were covered in soot. Sooty and croaky, scorched, singed, and blackened, Crow was unrecognizable from his beak to his back end. Courageous, undaunted, he pressed on alone, and all of the animals welcomed him home. They marveled and wondered, surprised and amazed at the power and strength of the fire as it blazed. But seeing his feathers, Crow started to weep, and bright droplets of tears slid down his beak. Waking from slumber high up in the sky, the all-seeing sun saw Crow bitterly cry. "What's wrong, my dear friend? Oh, what can it be? You've shown kindness and keenness and such bravery. The animals loved me for my colorful wings, and now I can croak, but once I could sing. My feathers," said Crow, "are burned as can be, and none of the others will ever like me." "Dear Crow," said the sun, "you are selfless and brave. It's not how you look or how you behave. Can you not see what the others can see? You're as beautiful as you could possibly be." Crow looked at his feathers. It was then that he knew, from the deep shades of violet and the bright hues of blue, that his glossy new self was a gift from the sun, to honor and treasure the deed he had done. Pretty or ugly, slim, thin, or fatter, your beauty inside is the heart of the matter.